Chimara punamo. Yaruneme governors Yaruneme na Biafra land. Yaruneme governors, elite, religious leaders na Yaruneme Hano Yaruneme Yaruneme. Nemo nemo one. I see Chineke ejikwele mmehie ụmụ Biafra were leta ụmụ Biafra. Ya gbaghara anyị ebe ọbụla anyị si wee mmehie. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu emerigo iwe ike nke ọnwụ, merie ike nke ndị Biafra, merie ike nke nsogbu a niile. O meriri ha. Maazị Simon Ekpa emerigo ha. Alaeze Chineke, ala nke Biafra, mbụ alaeze Chineke, the kingdom of God on this planet. Ọ bụ ndị aka ha ndị ọcha ga-aba n'ime ya. Ọ ndị aka ha ndị ọcha ga-aba ya. Ị ga-eso were baa na Biafra. So that is the question Naju all the Sabbath. Are you going to be among? Mgbe anyị ga-ana na Biafra, anyị agaghị ebesi akwa. nkewa agaghị adịzi, ife ndị iche iche na agaghị adịzi, nkewa nke zu gọọmenti na-ekewa ndị Igbo agaghị adịzi. Ọbịa bụ the Biafra land ebe anyị na-ana. Alaeze Chineke, ala Biafra, ọ bụ ebe anyị na-ana. Alaeze Chineke, the way our leader has said, he said it's a kingdom of God on the planet, on this earth. That is where we are going, nowhere else. Ndị aka ha ndị ọcha ga-aba ya. Aka gị ga-adị ọcha. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. Depends where you are getting our videos from. Today, I decided to bring this song because of some reasons. I welcome you, men and women. I welcome good people. I welcome you all, freedom lovers. I say welcome today. Today's program, what we are going to do is the need to defend, for our youth to defend themselves, to defend their territory, to defend their land. Because of why self-defense is allowed. You have to defend yourself. Do you know the reason why you have to defend yourself? Because of when your enemy, because of this enemy we are talking about, then come in different disguise. Then come like a Nigerian terrorist police, then come like a Nigerian terrorist army, then come in any form. Then come without uniform, then come in any form. But their job is to come when the mother to Ibia busisi Igbo, busisi Biafra, or he falls. Una forgo what happened in a Ebonyi state. You people have seen what happened. Have you seen even the one then called Bianca Ojukwu utter the word? Did you see any of your leaders or your religious leaders utter the word? They are good on buying condemn iron. They didn't even get the condemn iron now to condemn what is happening. Why I'm telling our youth, this is the need for you to defend yourself, because of if you don't do that, your name is sorry. Understand? I know my way. I know my area. Defend your boundaries. Enter your bushes and know who is who in your bushes. I know why I'm saying it. I know that I will continue hitting on this because of we don't like to be seen innocent blood pouring on the floor. Ayachohe na afụ ọbara ụmụaka ndị nne ụmụ okorobịa anyị ụmụ agbọghọbịa anyị aka ha ndị ọcha na-enweghị famịra na-egbu ha for no reason. Maka na ha chọrọ inwere onwe ha, maka na ha chọrọ nwere onwe ha, ajọ usoro chi nọrọ onwe ha. Biri ka mbiri, this is onwe onye anyị nara nke ya n'ike. Onwe onye anyị bịara na nke, onwe onye anyị bịara bịa nara ana ya. Onwe onye anyị bịara, anyị anaghị achọ ana Yoruba, anyị anaghị achọ ala ndị ugwu Awụsa. Ife anyị na-achọ bụ ana nke anyị, oke nke anyị, Chineke onye eluigwe nyere anyị ife nke anyị. Ka anyị si onye ọbụla nwere ndụ ya. If you believe in this your religious leaders, you believe in your governor, you believe in your elite, anybody you like, you call them. If you believe in these people, our youth, I'm calling you, any men and women, I am calling you. If you rely on these people, your name will be sorry. You know what to do. Go and get something to defend yourself. Have something and keep. For example, let me ask you something now. Let me ask this question. Somebody is coming to your place now. You know that nwanne mmadụ na ejikwa m ife ahụ oji na-abịa otu ahụ ojikwe ayọnụ nke na-abịa oji ekwe nke na-abịa like nwa na nwokwere nke gị. So ọ na-abịazi, what will him do? Ọ kwanyere onwe ya ugwu ma ka o si aga na ada so ọ gaghị abịazi mgbe ọ ma na ọ bụ ya bụrụ like n'iji n'onwe n'ịgba aka. So yọmbi ebe ahụ ife ọ ga-akọ ọsọ ebe ahụ ga-abụ disaster because of mgbe ọ ma na iji ife ahụ iji. Just for example, if you're a student of our leader, in one of his broadcasts, he was telling us how the Japanese people and the German, when German introduced gun, German introduced railway to Japanese people for trade and barter. When Japanese people only 400 Japanese nwetere imife ha mere ha ga-eme ya copy ha ga-copy ya the egbe ahụ otu ahụ ndị German si wute ha rụọ ya many they now have it many mgbe ndị German bịara again sị ka ha meghekwe ife ahụ again ndị a sị ha no okay ndị German eburu their own troop this is in our lead this is a lecture before ndị German abịa with their own military ka ha mere gwagwagwagwa ndị ekposisie egbe ndị German esi okay I surrender. That is the way you see these Japanese people. Nobody colonized them because of ha nwetara ife ha. So when you are coming to colonize them mgbe ndị a na-abịa ịbịa napụ ife ha n'aka ike ndị a na-akpọ colonial in that time. So mgbe a na-abịa ịnapụ ife the same thing they do it America mgbe a ma na ife ahụ ha nwa nji na-abịa ebe n'ụsụgụ ọgụ na inwekwere nke gị so onye ahụ na-abịazi bụ onye na-abụzi who is fast onye ndịzi fast and gị nwa na onwe gị nọ na be gị and a na-achọ gị abịa na I know my area I know myself abụrụ ha chief I know my area ị ga-ama ịma na anụ ubi gị niile ịma na ana ịma na ezi niile na ụmụ okorobịa nọ n'ụlọ unu ma ezi niile da na ịgbawa ọsọ ọhopu wesi na desi gọvanọ na ọ ga-ekpotekwe nwanne mmadụ onye ọbụla okpotere ọsị military officer or police nwanne mmadụ ọ bụ ndị a na-egbugbu don't trust in these people don't hope on them don't hope on them I'm saying this ka ọ hapụ ịbụ gwa inji na-akụ ya ka ekwe ka ọ hapụ ịbụ na anyị na-anụ okwu Chineke. Ima, this is what happens to our leader. Everybody was listening to our leader every day. When our leader was doing broadcast, Ima, what happened? Every day, people were listening. Oh, our leader is doing broadcast. Ima, what we are doing there? Everybody. Ima na onwere abụ agụrụ asị anyị nnokwu Chineke ka anyị tinye ya n'ọlụ. Anyị abụrụ ndị ga-anụ ya sọsọ ọnụnụ. What we are doing then? My brothers and sisters, please, I want to tell you something. Please, many people watch our videos, then doesn't subscribe to this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to our video. Subscribe to this channel, USB Gospel. This is our channel. This is where we worship. Subscribe, like the video, and drop your comment. As you are doing that, I say, may God bless you. Let's keep going. So, this word I'm always hit now because of the Biafra government, the USB government, the department, the deputy prime minister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze Emego Yeda. So everybody, no, youth, even a community youth, when community leader, unu manana mini anezonu, onye sekwa ke nnodo ruwa kwa onwe sabo, wande madasi no oji onye na anaji onwe Oji onye na anaji onwe because of this is what is happening to us today. Yambruna will listen to what our leader was saying. Yambruna everybody listen to what our leader was saying. Miria ogaha eshota na amanye. Aga eshota na amandi, oga eshota na amandi Biafra because of na anyị na-anụ every day etinye nta anyị na-ege broadcast anyị sọsọ ọnụnụ ka anyị na-anụ anyị anaghị etinye ife ọ na-agwa anyị anyị anaghị etinye n'ọlụ ka anyị hapụ ịbụ ndị na-anụ sọsọ ọnụnụ anyị anaghị etinye ya n'ọlụ because of ịbụrụ onye na-anụ sọsọ ọnụnụ ị naghị etinye n'ọlụ ọ ga-enye gị nsogbu unu furu ife na-eme n'ofe mmanụ na ha na-etizi mkpu na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said this so wait let me Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said this so this and that but now Maazị Nnamdi Kanu look at what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because of our youth to listen to let's hear from our leader. Please, my brothers and sisters, please, as you are watching this program, do us good by subscribing to this channel, like our videos, drop your comment. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Yes, let's drive so quick. Our leader, tell them something.
You did very clearly. I was warning you in 2014, 2015, 2016. They said he's a warmonger. He's a warmonger. I went to America and I told World Igbo Congress that this war you are avoiding is going to come to your villages. They said, no, it's not going to happen. What is happening today? When Yoruba was supporting the dead idiot called Buhari, did I not warn them that this info you're supporting will consume you? They never listened. They never wanted to listen. IPOB is a terrorist group. You're trying to divide Nigeria. But Mietiana is not. People that you are calling bandits, have you heard anybody come out to say, please, Buhari, since presidency is there defending terrorists in the forest, why don't you proscribe them? No, you cannot proscribe a Fulani group. Never.
Look at what happened to Ebonyi State.
Texas Democrat to bring first articles of impeachment. So for you.
Look at what, because of this are the things that our leader was shouting. But now, Yoruba people now, oh, I have Sharia law. But forget what if you name it. Let's listen to our leader again. Because of why the need of you to defend yourself, the need this imo here, or you na what is going on imo here. You too. One no talk ka ife a na-achọ ọ bụ ọdịnamma onye ọbụla youth ndị na-arụrụ gọvanọ ọrụ na-akụ ọdụ na-egbu mma na-agbarụ ha egbe nwanne mmadụ these people ị na-arụrụ ọrụ cannot help you. Ife mmiri a nzo mmiri a na-eru n'igwe ozo ọ ga-ama ohu ma nna ya ukwu ife m na-eme kwunu mara. Listen to our leader here.
Look at integrity and our sample mother and not also only fair our people can sack an entire village in Biafra land and we call ourselves men. No, we are not men.
Okay.
Until we redeem our honor. Until we look at integrity and say we must have a part of it. Until then, to be honest with you. We are not going to sit around but only fair. Only our sample mother and not also only fair our people can sack an entire village in Biafra land and we call ourselves men. No, we are not men. Until we redeem our honor. Until we look at integrity and say we must have a part of it. Until then, to be honest with you.
You people have heard it from our leader. That is why the need for you to defend, to have something to defend yourself. One day, the Biafra government have make it self-defense or a crime all over the world. Self-defense. No matter our leader told you in ata obieba ho kpokọ the whole community ga musisi fe ndị a niile maka nobody nwere ife oji akwado onwe ya nwanne ị ga-enwe ife nwe igwe communities youth leaders ndị zu nwanne mmadụ isikwa ka ịnọdụ ọrụ asabụ ọrụ gọvanọ gọvanọ ọrụ your anybody your senator whoever you like call it omemma na maya na omenjo na njọ ga na. So the earlier you realize that this you elite governor, anything you like, call them. All of them are your problem. They are the one bringing the people that is dealing with you. They are the one bringing Asare Dokubo with his gang. See how they musisi Wendy Igbo. They are the one doing it. One name mad okay. No. Boronke no na masiabia na azu no nangega. Because of onye na Muhammad ofuma cannot kill you. If somebody don't know you, we can't kill. Oga erugu nso. You got that? So if that is why we are preaching this God. We will continue preaching. This is where we worship. Please, as you are getting this video, do us well. Subscribe to this platform, USB Gospel. Follow us on this platform. Join us on this platform. Share our videos. Join us and follow us in Twitter handle. Drop your comment here. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Anything you do in this life, I say God bless you and God cherish you. May God give you more abundant blessing in whatever you do. From me, from here is good evening.